Are you posting regularly to Instagram as an online music teacher, trying to get new students and fill your schedule, and you feel like you're shouting into the void with no engagement? Well, my online music studio has brought in 100 enrollments in the last 6 months just from our Instagram marketing. And let me tell you, there are some secrets to how to build momentum, engagement, and enrollments quickly on your account, even if you're starting from scratch. So that's why today I'm sharing the 3 secrets to find students fast using Instagram as an online music teacher so you can start filling your online lessons as soon as possible. Make sure to stay until the end because the third one is a total game changer and allows you to reach more students and is the key to a steady stream of student inquiries on autopilot. Hi there, my name is Gettys and I am a full-time online music studio owner and a teacher business coach. I help online teachers build predictable, consistent student enrollments without being stuck to a third-party platform. Make sure to grab my free mini course that I have linked below called Beyond the Platform. The first secret to find students quickly using Instagram as an online music teacher is to have a simple and obvious sales process. One of the biggest mistakes that I see music teachers making on Instagram is that they don't have a clear and simple way for people to actually sign up for lessons. So your goal is to make the student sign up process so simple and so obvious that the parents don't have to think twice about what you want them to do to show interest. So here's an example of what this could look like. You have an Instagram reel where the call to action is to DM you the word lessons to chat more details about lessons. Then they send you a DM with the word lessons. Then you build rapport with them in the DMs. You have conversations about, why their student wants to enroll in music lessons, what struggles they're having, what goals they have. Then you invite them to a consultation call or a trial lesson over Zoom. And from there, they enroll into your lessons. This is the one that I'd recommend for most people if you're first getting started to build recurring revenue with one-on-one lessons as soon as possible. Another way that you could swing this is if you have an inquiry form. Then that inquiry form leads them to a consultation call over Zoom or a trial lesson over Zoom. And then on that call, you then enroll them into lessons. So link this inquiry form everywhere. So in your Instagram bio, have it be your Instagram bio call to action, put it on your website everywhere. Anytime that anybody is interested in lessons, we are sending them to this inquiry form. These days, it is so hard to catch people and to keep people's attention more than ever. And if somebody is interested in working with you, we want to give them the exact next step on how to do so. So at the end of the day, if parents have to jump through hoops to figure out how to sign up for lessons, they probably just won't do it. The key thing to finding students fast isn't just about getting attention on Instagram. It's about making the next step crystal clear and effortless for them. So if you want to dive deeper into this, then make sure to check out my Beyond the Platform free mini course where I break down the 3 biggest things that led us to enrolling 45 students in the first 60 days of marketing my online music studio. The second secret to finding students fast using Instagram as an online music teacher is to focus on Instagram Reels. Instagram is pushing short form video content hard. And if you are not using it, then you are missing out on a massive opportunity to get in front of potential students and parents. So here's why Reels work so well. They have the highest reach. So unlike regular posts, Reels are shown to new people, not just your followers. This means that your content can reach parents who have never heard of you before. They also build trust fast. So seeing your face, feeling your energy from your video, and hearing your passion for your teaching makes parents feel connected to you before they even reach out. Instagram also prioritizes Instagram Reels. So the algorithm favors video content so that your Reels are the best way to get discovered organically. And you may be thinking, oh, Katie, but I have no idea how to create an engaging Instagram Reel that actually gets more than 200 views and speaks to my dream families. Well, don't worry, I have a formula for you. So you are going to write an engaging hook. Just scroll through your Discover page on Instagram to get some ideas for some hooks. And in this hook, you are going to speak to the parent of your student. You're going to speak to their wants and you're going to speak to what they are struggling with. Then you're going to record some B-roll of you teaching to put in the background. This is just some video that's background video that you can use for your reel. Then you're going to find a trending audio to put in the background of your reel. Just scroll through Instagram yet again and look for the arrow that indicates that an audio is trending. And finally, write a caption that breaks down the hook in in more detail, adds a little bit more context, and gives them more value, then has a very strong call to action that they comment a certain keyword or DM you a certain keyword. Do you want to see an example of how I set this up on my own Instagram? Then head over to my coaching Instagram and check out my own reels. And while you're there, make sure to give me a follow because I give tips all the time on marketing yourself and finding students as an online teacher. The third secret to finding students fast as an online music teacher is to turn your reels into paid ads. Okay, hear me out. This secret is key to reaching more people without having to show up 24/7 and constantly be posting. If you're already creating reels, why not have them work for you and reach even more potential students? Running paid ads on Instagram using your reels that performed best organically is one of the fastest ways to consistently attract parents who are actively looking for lessons. And of course, we want to make sure that your messaging is compelling and that you're going to bring in dream families, but we can target the right audience. Let's say that's homeschooling moms who have kids that are teens whose interests align with your niche. Instagram Reels already help you grow organically, but turning them into a simple targeted ads allows you to attract students on autopilot. So even a small budget like $5 a day can help you consistently book new lessons without having to rely on the algorithm. If you're interested in hearing more about the paid ad strategies that I use in my own online teaching business, this is actually something that I walk my own clients through in my signature group program, the Online Teacher Enrollment System. If you're interested in hearing more about this, just go over to Instagram, send me a DM with the word system, and we can chat more details there. So there you have it, 3 secrets to find students fast using Instagram as an online music teacher. Let's just do a quick recap. Have a simple and obvious sales process, focus on Instagram Reels, and turn your best Reels into paid ads. The truth is that Instagram isn't just for posting content. It is a tool that when used the right way can help you fill your lesson spots fast. And if you put in these 3 strategies into action, then you'll start seeing real results without spending hours online. If this video was helpful for you, then please make sure to give it a like and hit the subscription button below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.